First, select the text tool and type the text you want. Now, align your text into the center, scale if you want, change the color to red or whatever you like. Select the text, right-click, and select Create Outline. Open the window and select 3D and Material. Click Inflate, check the Inflate on both sides, and set the rotation. Once you are happy with the rotation, then select Material and set the roughness to 0.2 and Metallic to 0.8. You can play with the setting if you want. Now go to the Lighting tab and adjust the lighting as you like it, or copy mine. Enable shadow and adjust it the way you like. Go to the top right corner, turn on ray tracing, select the quality, and render. If this tutorial helps you, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.